First, you want to find some characters that you like and copy them and paste them onto your board game. Now that we have one character in place, we want to copy and paste it 2 more times, so we have 3 of each color. For the colors of each character, I went into Photoshop and changed them, but to make it easier, you can find 4 different characters that you like and use them as your players. Once you have all your characters, you want to make sure they're evenly spaced and not overlapping with any of the board, because we will be cutting these out after we print it. Now we can add text to the center to make it clear where the finish line is, and you can choose any font you like to indicate this. Now that we have the text in place, we want to add color to all of our corner pieces by adding a square over top of it and then matching the color to the color of our characters. We can copy and paste this same square to each corner as they're all the same size, and then just adjust the color to the color of our players in that corner of the board. Now we can add color to the finish line of the board. I chose to do a gradient that corresponds to each color of the corner of the board, but you don't have to make it this complicated if you don't want to, and can choose any solid color to use. Now that we have our board all decorated, we're ready to print. So you want to highlight everything on your screen, go over to the right side of the screen, and choose Export as a PDF. Now you want to open the PDF we just downloaded, go over to File, and print it out so we can start adding the rules, which will be next week's video.